Nature is already weird enough, but sometimes humans, and occasionally nature itself, decide to mix two completely different animals together. The result? Creatures that look photoshopped in real life. Some are adorable, some are terrifying, and some honestly look like the final boss in a wildlife video game. Today, we're diving into the most insane animal hybrids ever discovered, explained simply and fast: Liger. The liger is a hybrid between a male lion and a female tiger, and biologically, this creature is an absolute giant. The average male lion weighs around 420 pounds. Tigers can reach about 670 pounds, but ligers can exceed 900 pounds and stretch over 12 feet long standing on their hind legs. That makes them the largest cats ever recorded. Scientists believe this massive size comes from growth-regulating genes. Male lions pass genes that encourage growth in offspring, while female tigers lack certain growth-limiting genes. The result is basically a cat that never got the memo to stop growing. Ligers also inherit behaviors from both parents. Like tigers, many enjoy swimming. Like lions, they can be surprisingly social. One liger named Hercules became famous for weighing over 900 pounds. Imagine needing industrial quantities of cat food every week. Zonkey, this looks like someone accidentally mixed two save files in a video game. A zonkey is created when a zebra mates with a donkey. Since both belong to the horse family, called Equidae, hybridization is biologically possible. But here's the interesting part. Zebras have between 32 and 46 chromosomes depending on species, while donkeys have 62. Because of these chromosome differences, zonkies are usually infertile. That means most zonkies cannot reproduce. Their striped patterns vary wildly. Some look mostly like donkeys with striped legs, while others look like zebras wearing a donkey costume. Zonkies are also known for strong survival instincts inherited from zebras, which makes them much harder to domesticate than regular donkeys. Basically, it's part farm animal, part chaos engine, wholphin. The wholphin may sound fake, but it's one of the rarest marine hybrids on Earth. It's created from a bottlenose dolphin and a false killer whale. Despite the name, false killer whales are actually members of the dolphin family. Biologically, the two species are genetically close enough to interbreed. Both belong to the Delphinidae family. Only a tiny number of confirmed wholphins have ever existed. One of the most famous, Kekaiamalu, was born in Hawaii and became internationally known because she successfully reproduced something extremely rare for hybrids. Wholphins often display intermediate traits. Their teeth count, body size, and skin color usually fall somewhere between both parent species. Imagine marine biologists discovering this thing for the first time. Someone definitely thought another scientist was joking. Beefalo. Unlike many hybrids, the beefalo was created for practical reasons. It's a cross between domestic cattle and the American bison. Ranchers wanted an animal that combined the hardiness of bison with the meat production of cattle. And statistically, it worked surprisingly well. Beefalo meat contains less fat and cholesterol than traditional beef, while still producing large amounts of meat efficiently biologically. Bison and cattle are closely related enough to produce fertile offspring, which is important because many hybrids cannot reproduce. Today, thousands of beefalo exist across North America, so yes, somewhere out there is a buffalo cow hybrid casually existing while most people have never even heard of it. Scientists once asked an unusual question: can a camel and a llama create a hybrid? Surprisingly, yes. Both animals belong to the camelid family, although camels are much larger. Since natural mating would be nearly impossible due to the size difference, scientists used artificial insemination. The result was the cama. Researchers hoped the hybrid would combine the camel's strength with the llama's calmer personality and wool production. Instead, the cama mostly looked like a confused camel downloaded in low resolution. Still, biologically, it proved how important evolutionary relationships are. Even animals that look very different can sometimes produce offspring if they share enough genetic compatibility. Growler bear. This hybrid is becoming more common naturally, and that worries scientists. The growler bear, also called a pizzly bear, is a mix between a grizzly bear and a polar bear. As Arctic ice melts, Polar bears are spending more time inland searching for food. This increases contact with grizzlies moving northward. DNA testing has confirmed multiple wild growler bears in Canada. These hybrids often inherit long necks from polar bears and the muscular builds of grizzlies. They may also combine hunting behaviors from both species. And here's the scary part. Polar bears are powerful enough already. Grizzlies are adaptable enough already. Combining them sounds like nature accidentally created an upgrade pack. Scientists believe sightings could increase as climate patterns continue changing. Leopon. The leopon is a hybrid between a male leopard and a lioness. Only a very small number have ever been documented, making them one of the rarest big cat hybrids in history. Leopons usually inherit spotted fur patterns from leopards while maintaining the larger body structure of lions. Interestingly, some display climbing abilities far better than lions because leopards are excellent tree climbers. Biologically, these hybrids reveal how closely related big cats truly are. Lions, tigers, leopards, and jaguars all belong to the genus Panthera, which is why hybridization is sometimes possible between them. Honestly, if ancient humans saw a leopon walking through the forest, they probably would have started inventing legends immediately.